Right, welcome back to our Wagwan tours. We're here and we're in Albufeira. We're going to have a little look down the new town to see Wagwan, isn't it, Sabrina?
Yeah, you guys know the vibe. Let's see Wagwan. Albufeira.
So, go on, Sabrina.
Now, I was going to say, as you guys know, if you have watched the channel, Albufeira is one of our favourites. If you are new to the channel, we have been to Albufeira before, so if you do want to see content, we've been here numerous times of the year. So yeah, check it out and subscribe if you're not already subscribed.
So we just come out to Wild & Co. This is at the, I would say the bottom of the strip, but I don't know really what side's the top. I call the other side the top, so this is the bottom. Because after this you get to the sea. So top would be up top of land. But yeah, so we're going to walk up the new town strip in the daytime. This is a nice restaurant. Never been. June. Let me know if you've been here before. And you got Wild & Co there. You've got a rooftop bar at the top.
Yeah, nice. Very nice.
So you can hear
football's on at the moment, isn't it? So you can
yeah. This is Saturday.
Saturday, yeah.
Saturday. You've got all the championship games on and Premier League Chelsea game is on. Nottingham Forest, so that gives you a reference of when this is filmed. If you want to check it out. But yeah. So this is Wild & Co. Chelsea 3-0 with a red card, it says. With a red card. Yeah. Look at that.
66.
£5 for a cocktail. Beer 4. Very good prices. Can't go wrong with them prices. There's Matt's Bar. Yeah, I think Cooper's got the biggest outdoor space, so he's got the good stuff going on there in daytime.
So yeah, it's quite busy, isn't it? We're in the early part of just before the season closes down, so the weather's still really nice. So it's a really good time to come, but it's not like overwhelmed.
Everyone's sneaking off that last bit of summer in Portugal.
Yeah. We have stayed this end before as well, haven't we? It's not been too bad on the strip. But be warned, it is noisy, so if you do want peace and quiet, do not book a room on this strip.
Look at this one, it's got no one in it. Not one person. Let's see what game it's on. What game is on? So you've got there Chelsea game. Chelsea. There's another one. No, it's the same, all the same. Let's go the other side actually, Mambo's side. Keep looking behind me as if there should be something coming, but it's one-way street. You can only come from that way. Quite like it actually, we've done a bar street to have a one-way system.
Yeah,
makes
nice.
a lot of sense. It's nice.
It's very nice. I suppose that's why people dance on the streets.
Yeah, because you've got a lot of safety of just, you know.
A way of doing it.
So everyone getting their tattoos. So it looks like the Chelsea game just finished.
Yep. My game's on tomorrow.
Sabrina's Tottenham, I'm Southampton, so we don't like winning anything anymore. Except for the championship, win the playoff, knock-off, whatever the hell it's called. We like to win that.
Yeah, you get yourself back into the league and then you go back down. It's like a little yo-yo.
Yeah, parachute payments and a baby. That's what it's all about. Get that money. It's brand new, yeah. This one's brand new for this year.
So I'll just see if that's open tonight.
Yeah, it will be. And this one on the side, LYV. This was open last time. We just walked past. We didn't really go inside. But yeah.
So I guess this is like the second part of the new strip, isn't it? It's kind of broken into two.
You got two sides, yeah. So you got the soccer guys around. So yeah.
A little bit more noisier and busier.
Much more noisy, that one, jam. And you got other side that's nice and open.
to talk because of the music, but we stayed above that one.
Yeah, Simply, we stayed around the back. Simply's got a couple of rooms at the top, which are really good. This is the cheapest place. $1.50 a beer, $3.50 a cocktail. It's the best place if you want to come for food as well. Look, very cheap on the food. If you've seen our videos, we're always showing how cheap that place is. Can't go wrong for them prices. So you've got Zoo Club. This is brand new. Yeah, brand new for this year.
So comment below if you've been here and Zoo Club's been here. What's it like?
We'll be here tonight, so we'll show you what it's like tonight. Beer is free, glass of wine is free.
It's not bad.
Yeah. Then you got the Dublin.
Restaurant's usually busy.
Yeah. Always busy. Always a good little pub. At night time it's cool as well. Route 66 is not open. Tonight you'll see it's really open. I got a bit scared there in the car. So, Legends. All good.
Night dancing on the bar, that's a good one to go to.
Legends and Next Door Temple, yeah. We want to dance on the bar. Come on down. So you got a karaoke place right here. You got the Bulldog as well. I'm out of breath already just walking up that little hill. It's not far. Walk all the way down. You could do a good bar crawl. Up and down. It's not bad. That's like a new version of that, not what it was before. So yeah.
Just get a whole drink, please.
So a lot of these places will be more packed in the day, in the night, than the day. But now everyone's either sleeping or just recovering. We didn't go out, it was our first night. We just stayed in, didn't we, Sabrina?
Yeah, we were really tired. We had like 2 hours sleep the night before. And then the night before that we didn't sleep well because we had like no electric for a little while. Long story, won't bore you with it. But anyway, so we kind of got here and we'd obviously done quite a lot during the day. We'd done Barrow, chilled out by the pool, waiting to check in, and then obviously went to the shop. But like, we did a lot, didn't we? We had dinner, we had sushi, which I really enjoyed. So by the time it got to like 7, 8 o'clock, we were wiped out. So yeah, we had a nice chilled evening, played some cards, had a few drinks, and then had a really good night's sleep, ready for tonight.
Ready.
Yeah, I don't think we would have been any use to anyone yesterday. We were both so shattered.
So $2.50 a large beer and happy hour. Let's go here, let's finish over here. We haven't been in here. We've seen our videos, we've seen some people dancing. So let's go into this place. We'll have a beer, innit? We'll just sit outside in the sun. Right there. Alright. Hello. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, yeah? I'll catch you on the next one.